Good morning everybody, how are you? I'm KnowHow92 and today I'm gonna show you around Dtube. Well, Dtube is my go-to platform when it comes to video uploading. I love editing and uploading videos, and Dtube is by far the best video platform cause you earn DTC, Dtube's crypto, Dtube's native token for posting your videos and interacting on the blockchain. You also share your content in a decentralized environment, and that means that no one can delete your video. Let me show you around Dtube. Let's do a quick tour. Nothing fancy, guys. I'm just gonna show you how Dtube works, how you can upload your videos, and how you can claim your rewards. This is Dtube's landing page. Here is my DTC balance. I have 3.5k DTC. Hold more of it to generate more voting power. You can burn it to promote your videos and comments. This is my voting power, 48k VP. The more DTC you have, the more voting power you generate, and the more voting power you have, the bigger your rewards get, guys. When you vote a video on Dtube, you use voting power and you give DTC to the other content creator you just upvoted. Now, when other people upvote this video after you earn huge DTC rewards for upvoting first. It's a ladder system, first come, first served, guys. That's as far as I will explain the voting system to you today, guys. Now I'm gonna show you how you can log into Dtube. There are three ways to log into Dtube, but the most important thing above all is to log in with your Dtube account. You can also connect your Hive account, and you can also connect your Steam account. If you are connected with your Dtube, Hive and Steam account at the same time, then you earn 3 different cryptos for sharing a video on Dtube. You earn Steam, Hive and DTC. Pretty sweet, right? Now, let me show you how you can upload a video so you can earn all these sweet rewards, guys. You just click right here. There are 3 video upload options: the peer-to-peer, best for resilience and anonymity, the third party, and the file upload. I'm not using peer-to-peer upload. I'm just gonna talk about the third party and the file upload. The file upload is the casual upload, just like YouTube. You click right here, you choose this default BTFS Dtube server, you click right here, you choose your video, and right after that you write your title, your description and your tag. Now let's explore the other option, the third party option, which is best for speed and high def. Clicking on this icon redirects you to the uploader. You just enter a video URL. I have already copied a YouTube URL. You can also copy Twitch, Instagram, LiveLeak, Vimeo, Dailymotion and Facebook URLs. Paste them right there. Click on next. And guys, this is magic. Both the title and the description are ready. If you upload your videos on YouTube, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. You just copy your link, paste it on the third-party uploader here on Dtube, add a tag, for example, skateboarding, click on original content if this content is created by you, and then choose how much voting power you want to spend on your video. Now, it's always better to upload original content. People love original content on Dtube and vote on original content on Dtube. I'm not gonna upload this video since I upload only original content and this video is not mine, so let's trash this video and go back to Dtube's front page. Now, to claim your rewards, all you have to do is to go to your channel, click on the rewards button, and there your balance will be displayed. Right now I have 49.48 DTC payments, that's around $10. Claimable are 0 DTC because I claimed my DTC a couple of hours ago, and I have already claimed 360.31 DTC for a total of 409.79 DTC. That's around $80 for 2 months of using Dtube. That's awesome if you ask me, guys. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check out the Dtube white paper and decide for yourself if it's worth investing in Dtube and uploading your content in this decentralized platform. Back to the landing page right now. If you take a closer look, there is a number below each video. For example, 109 DTC, that's the total amount of DTC on Maneko 64's content. Curators and Maneko will take a big share from this DTC, And if you do the math, DTC is trading for around 20 cents. That's more than $21, guys. That's around $22 for a single video. That pretty much sums up how Dtube works. I hope you enjoyed this fast tutorial, and I'm gonna leave a link below if you want to try out Dtube. Dtube is a rising star. Dtube will be huge in the future. That's what my gut is telling me, and that's what I see when it comes to development and community. The community of Dtube is amazing and super supportive. Dtube is still in a very early stage, so now it's the right time to join us, yo. Thank you all for watching and supporting me, my friends. If you enjoyed what you saw, you can subscribe both to my Dtube and YouTube channel. Much love to everyone, and see you on the decentralized side. Peace.